Okay, I told you we were going to look closer at number C. Sie liebt Autos, she loves cars. So here are a few more examples that show you when not to use an article. And they are pretty similar to the English language, just to make you aware. Ihr fahrt nach Berlin, you go to Berlin. There is no the or a here as in English. No article with cities, generally. Wir sind in Frankreich. We are in France. So, as you can see, also no article with countries. Ich gehe zu Markus. With names you don't use an article either. And the last example is probably the most interesting one. Ich kaufe Schokolade. I buy chocolate. So, you wouldn't say I buy the chocolate or a chocolate because you cannot really count chocolate. And there's like a few of these, like Milch, sugar, coffee, and anything that you cannot really count. So, as you can see, German and English are pretty much alike. There's a few exceptions that you will come across during your journey, but for now, we can live with this.